Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about radish greens, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go with radishes and radish greens. So whichever you're dealing with, the radish bulb and or the greens, this list should apply. Radish greens go well with basil, capers, cayenne pepper, chervil, cilantro, curry powder, dill, marjoram, mint, mustard powder and mustard seeds, oregano, parsley, pepper as in black pepper, rosemary, salt, and thyme. I do hope this helps. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.